All right, guys, so I tell every single person in our coaching program to make sure they do at least 2 outbound sales efforts a day. What I mean by outbound is that you are reaching out to a business or an individual that you would have otherwise not spoken to and simply offering your services. If you have the mindset of simply offering value rather than trying to sell someone, you will be more successful in your cold outreach. So I'm gonna do a couple cold sales calls. What I do when I'm driving around, I'm looking around at businesses or potential individuals that I may be able to talk to about our services, and then I call them, I stop in, or I email them. So let's see what happens.
Hello?
Hi, this is Micaela. I'm calling from Quality Tinting Signs. I have a sign shop in San Luis Obispo, and our team often drives by your guys' auto and tire shop, and I noticed there wasn't any building signage. Are you guys interested in getting a complimentary quote on that? I see it was freshly painted.
Oh, okay. Sounds good. Yeah, you can make that, like, estimate or something?
Yeah, it's a complimentary estimate. We can come out, chat with you guys. We do all types of signs, like freestanding signs and building signs. And I can send someone by next week. Would you be a good point of contact for that estimate?
Okay, let me check with the guy, okay? Hold on.
Okay, fantastic.
Hello?
Hello, this is Micaela calling from Quality. I have a sign shop in SLO, and our team's often in the Los Osos area. I wanted to come by and get you guys a complimentary quote on any signage you might be interested in for more street visibility.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, perfect. I have some slots next week. I'm thinking Tuesday the 20th. I have like a 10 a.m. slot. Would that work well for you?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, perfect. And what was your first name? Miguel. Okay. Fantastic, Miguel. They're 100% complimentary. They can go over all the options and we can get something quoted for you guys.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Okay. Thanks, Miguel. Bye.
Bye.
All right, guys, so the first person that I called that actually picked up their phone went ahead and scheduled an estimate for us. Typically, our average sign job off-site is going to be $2,500, $3,500 range, so there's a big potential with this. Don't get discouraged if you make calls and you don't get an estimate right away. It's all a numbers game. Eventually, someone is going to say yes. All right, guys, so I do 2 cold outbound sales efforts every single workday. I either call, email, or walk into businesses. I have the most success walking into businesses when we already have a reason for being there. So I'm going into a bakery today. They're a new bakery across the street. I'm gonna pick up some treats for our team, which we like to do surprises every now and then for our team. While I'm in there, I'm gonna introduce myself, tell her our business is right across the street, let her know we've already done work in this center before, and see if that prompts a conversation about potentially getting some things estimated for their business. I can tell they already have a main sign done, but they don't have window tinting, they don't have any window graphics, they're on a main street, so they're missing out on potential sales by not having window graphics up, and they don't have their store hours listed. So if a customer wants to come in and they can easily see their store hours, that's going to be able to move more traffic through their business. Okay. Hello, how are you doing? Are you guys new over here? Brand new? Okay.
We've been here for 3 months.
3 months? Okay. And do you guys do like coffee? Okay, you guys do coffee drinks as well. Drip coffee. Okay, cool. Can I do, I'm just gonna get some things for our team. We're right across the street at Quality. What's that? It'll probably be like just like 4 pieces. I'm thinking 2 of the almond croissants, and then I'll get 2 cookies, whatever are your guys' best recommendations. We always get treats and stuff for our customers that are waiting.
What do you do, you said?
We have a sign shop across the street, Quality. It's the black building over there. So yeah, if you guys ever need, we've done window graphics for a lot of the businesses in the center, and also tinting if it gets hot in here.
Okay.
Frost, graphics, all that good stuff.
So if you wanted like something printed on like
Yeah, and I think that for you guys, especially with your main visibility being right here, like doing, you know, pastries, sandwiches, like the main things you guys offer would be really good.
Yeah, we have, you see that big sign there?
Yeah.
People, like that we had this, that maybe you can have it painted like on the,
Yeah.
there, because that's what the logo that people recognize.
With the skeleton?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we could I could have our designer pop by and just give you a quote. Like, are you thinking repeated or maybe just like one large one? Or we could span it across.
Yeah, I mean, I haven't, I have to ask my husband.
Yeah, we could mock it up too, so you guys can see what it would look like super large or small. But all the estimates are complimentary. I'll send her by.
Okay.
Yeah. What time are you guys open till today?
Noon.
Noon?
So
Okay.
we close at 8.
So you guys are like early and then
So 7 to noon every day.
7 to noon. Okay. We can also do like hours too on your door,
okay.
store hours. And then that way, like if people come after hours, I don't know if you guys take orders, we can put like text us, call us, or whatever you guys want. Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. Excellent. And what was your first name?
I'm Carolyn.
Carolyn, my name's Micaela.
Micaela.
And Vanessa and Haley are in our sign department. I'll leave my card with you, but yeah, they'll pop by sometime today. They're in the office.
Thank you.
All right, Carolyn, thank you. Nice meeting you. All right, guys, so I just finished at the bakery. I basically looked for some treats for our team, let them know, hey, our business is right across the street, picking up some treats. We'll probably be over here often. Noticed you guys just moved in, was just getting to know the owner a little bit better, building rapport. The owner just so happened to be working the counter, and I just basically mentioned the services that we offered, and she said, oh, well, you know, it would be nice to have this or this on our windows. I did let her know we've done work in this complex before. We've done tinting, we've done graphics, we've done signage, and so she was excited. We went ahead and set up an estimate for later today. Again, it's a very low pressure obligation. We offer complimentary estimates. I said, yeah, we'll send someone by. We can mock something up for you. Everything's complimentary, and so we're going to be doing that estimate later today. Good news, got us another estimate.
That box.
I got you guys some treats. Of course, I had to make an excuse for being there. There's,
Oh my God.
There's 2 different kinds of cookies. That's chocolate chip peanut butter, and then I got 2 almond croissants.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Got another estimate for across the street, Austin. Good. All right, ladies. We got some treats. Oh, no. I know you're fasting.
Yeah.
And then I got you an estimate across the street for her. So I'll tell you the details.
You should have your store hours up there because you don't want people to come at 12 and think you guys are not doing well.
Yeah.
Because that could be the impression of maybe they're not working out, so they're not here.
Yeah.
But so what else do they do? Like,
So-
how are they only open till 12? What's their other business?
So this is their second location. They make a lot of breads. They have a whole like bakery in the back, but they mainly sell at the front like sandwiches, pastries, cookies, that type of thing. You know, my strategy was kind of to just be like, I'm here buying something. We're always looking for good places to frequent because we're right across the street. We often buy treats for our team and our customer. Place the order, and then she was like, oh, what business is it? And then, you know, yeah.
You were like the guy at the bar that took his time.
Yeah. And I think she maybe was a little bit more reserved because she maybe did see my mic, but she was kind of like, oh, well, I need to talk to my husband. I said, oh, it's no obligation, totally free estimate. We'll pop by. And then I asked her hours for the estimate, realized they were only open till noon, so she should obviously have the hours posted. No, but she mentioned like customers know the specific logo that's in the back of their bakery, and they keep saying you guys should have that on the window so people recognize when you drive by, which makes total sense. And that sign that they have is like so small. So